In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete cards in Trello. We're going to walk through the exact path Trello expects because you can't delete a card straight from the board. First you archive it, then you delete it from the board's archive. I'll guide you through the whole flow and share a few tips to avoid removing the wrong thing. Start by opening Trello.com in your browser and sign into your account. Once you're in, head to your board's view. This is where all of your workspaces and boards live. Pick the board that contains the card you want to remove. It's always a good idea to double check you're in the right board and workspace, especially if you manage multiple projects with similar names. Inside the board, locate the card you want to delete and click it to open the card details. Before you remove anything, make sure you really don't need the card, its comments, or its attachments. Deleting is permanent, and once you complete that final step, you can't bring the card back. With the card open, click Archive. In Trello, archiving simply hides the card from your lists and moves it into the board's archive. This is a built-in safety step that prevents accidental deletions. And if you're on the fence, you can stop here and leave the card archived. It won't clutter your board, and you can restore it later if needed. To permanently remove it, open the board menu by clicking the three-dot icon in the upper area of the board. From the menu, choose Archived Items. This opens a view of everything you've archived on this board, including cards and possibly lists. If your board has a lot of archived content, use the search bar here to quickly find the card you just archived. Select the card you recently archived so you're looking at the right item. Take a moment to confirm it's the exact card you intend to remove. When you're certain, click Delete. Trello will ask you to confirm because this action cannot be undone. Approve the deletion and the card is permanently removed from your board and its archive. If you don't see the delete option, you may not have the required permissions on this board. In that case, contact a board admin and ask them to perform the deletion or adjust your permissions. Also remember, you need to repeat this process for each card you wish to delete. Trello handles deletions one card at a time to help prevent mistakes. And that's it. You've archived the card, opened the archive, selected the correct item, and deleted it safely.